Good morning. It's early. Walking the dogs. It's early, but we got a head start. And we brought water this time, so we're not dying. Got Jess and Molly.
They actually know which street we're staying on.
Yes, they do. They literally turned down the street that we are staying at, and it's so weird how dogs know those things. Here, there's a biplane pulling a banner. Wonder what it says. It probably says stay focused.
This is the official sound of Long Beach Island.
True. Is that a Hackensack Meridian? Seriously. I can't escape work. Hospital advertisements. It's hot. So here's the plan of the day, guys. We are going to go home now, put our bathing suits on. Jess is going to do some surf fishing. Kev, Ashley, and I are going to hit the beach. Britt is still with the asthma. The air here is very thick and humid, so she doesn't want to go to the beach. Yesterday was rough with her. She came to the beach and got very tight. Came back. She almost fainted. It was a nightmare. But we have a pulse ox with us, so we was checking her O2 sets, and it took about an hour for her to get calm. She was anxious, clearly, and she was a little nauseous. The heat just not good with asthma, so I think Britt's gonna hang back for an hour or two. Then we're gonna do family portraits on the beach. Kev has to leave today because he has to work his shift tomorrow morning, so we're gonna do a family portrait with the dogs. And after that, I don't know. We might go for a bike ride. We might play miniature golf. We might just see what happens. So that's the day. Right, girls? It's hot today. Right now it's about 86. Feels like about 106 because of the humidity. All right, we are approaching the house, so I'll see you probably at the beach. Oh, and I gotta go have a fueling now, so I'll see you inside. There she goes.
Come on.
Have a good day. Go ahead.
Come on, Bush.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Go. Bunny hop, bunny hop.
Good girl.
Peanut butter bar. I kept this in the refrigerator overnight, so it's nice and cold. I'm gonna have it right now with a big bottle of water. Actually, we need that. We need some water. Sometimes I forget to do the bottle of water with the fueling, but it's good to do it, because then if you have 5 fuelings, a lean and green, you're guaranteed to have at least 6 of these a day, and then everything in between is just gravy. So peanut butter bar going down. That was fun. Just came out of the ocean. The waves are nice. The water temperature is beautiful. Kind of stuck with a little family because I was by myself in the ocean, and you don't want to get eaten, right? So it's time for the next fueling, Cranberry Nut Bar. This is a good one in the afternoon because of the almonds, and the granola seems to keep me a little bit longer than normal. So I'm gonna go have that. I do have Diet Coke in here. Brought some water bottles, so gonna go eat. See you later. All right, guys, so we're back from the beach. Time for the next fueling. Vanilla shake, and I put a tablespoon of Walden Farms pancake syrup in there just to give it some flavor. And the next fueling is going to be lean and green. So we don't even know what we're having. I did take tilapia out, but Jess is fishing, so I'm waiting to see if he's got anything to bring home for dinner. So we'll see you at the next fueling. Well, family portrait time. Looks like we have a curveball. It's raining. No, we can't win, guys. So we're gonna try to do a family portrait, I guess inside. What a bummer, because it was such a nice day and I wanted to do it on the beach. Unless something changes, but Kevin has to head back up to North Jersey for work, so I obviously want him in the picture. So damn it, it's gonna be a rough scenario, but we'll make it work. That's all we have to do. That's all we can do. Let me show you the rain. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the view from the balcony. But I did get some nice color, didn't I? There's no makeup on my face, none. Except some eyeliner. Good tan, good tan. The hair looks like it got a little lighter, I guess from being out in the sun. It was such a great day. I forgot to film Lean and Green. I did make the fish, a big salad. That's what I had. And then for the rest of them, we had the fish, some rice, and I made homemade coleslaw for them, for the fish, and salad. And is that all they had? I think that's it. The fish, the coleslaw, the salad. There was something else. Oh, and the rice. So yeah, so that was Lean and Green. And then I had a brownie for the last feeling that I forgot to record. I'm sorry, you guys. So we are going to do those family portraits. Hopefully I'll be able to attach one of the pictures at the end of this video, but if not, if there is none at the end of this video, head over to my Instagram because that's where I post all kinds of pictures. You're missing out if you don't follow me over there. My Instagram page is the same name as this channel, Felicia Nurse. And seeing that we have to head back home soon, tomorrow, how come this week just went so fast? I'm bummed out. I want another week. I want another week away. Vacations always go quick. That's why you have to live every moment. You have to enjoy every moment, especially on a vacation. Suck it in. Absorb. Like, I love to walk around and see things and hear things. And right now it's raining, so I'm sitting outside. We have the awning. I'm hearing the raindrops. I'm watching the rain instead of just sitting inside. I just love nature and I love to experience. And these are the moments that I take home with me. Aside from all of the other moments, but I take home these moments. And when things are not so wonderful, like when I had COVID and I was scared and whatnot, these are the things that kept me going in my head. You know, the moments, the memories, the sights, the sounds, the smells, just everything. I just think it's so important. So even in daily life, don't miss the small stuff. You ever hear that phrase, don't sweat the small stuff? I like to say don't miss the small stuff because a lot of times we do. We're so focused on what we're eating and all of these other things and we're missing out on so many things. So if I could end this video in any way, I just would love for you all to just hear me out and savor the small moments. Those precious times that normally you would just probably never even recognize. And keep them close within your heart and enjoy your family. If you don't have a family, enjoy your friends. If you don't have friends, enjoy yourself. Love yourself. Be there for yourself. Have integrity. Have intention. Just be. Well, thank you so much for sharing vacation with us. It was a great week. All right, we still have a day. But I don't know if I'm going to film packing up and heading out and all of that. So anyway, I love you all. Thanks, guys, for watching. And I'll see you soon. And remember, I haven't even ended my video with my mantra. We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. Love you guys.